In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VPN extensions to Google Chrome browser. By the end, you'll know how to find a trustworthy VPN extension, install it safely, and get connected to a country of your choice. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using a recent version of Chrome so extensions work smoothly. Next, use the address bar to search for Chrome Web Store. In the results, open the official Chrome Web Store. You'll know you're in the right place when the page is hosted by Google and has the familiar extension marketplace layout. It's important to use the official store so you avoid risky downloads. Once you're in the store, look for the search box at the top left and type VPN. This will bring up a list of VPN extensions available for Chrome. Now choose the VPN you want to install. Take a moment to compare options by checking the star ratings, number of reviews, and the privacy practices and permissions sections on each listing. Reputable VPNs are transparent about what data they collect and why. Keep in mind that some VPNs are free with limitations, while others require a subscription for faster speeds or more locations. When you've picked one, click Add to Chrome. A small window will appear describing the permissions the extension needs. Review these carefully so you understand what access you're granting, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. After the download and installation finish, look to the top right of Chrome and click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. If you want quick access later, you can pin the VPN by clicking the pin icon next to its name so it stays visible on your toolbar. Click the VPN you just installed to open it. Many VPNs will show a simple Connect button or ask you to sign in if the service requires an account. Follow any on-screen prompts from the provider and allow any connection requests so the extension can create the secure tunnel. Finally, select a country or location from the VPN's list. If speed is your priority, choose a server close to you. If you need a specific region for your browsing, pick that country and then connect. Most extensions will show a status indicator when you're connected. At this point, your browser traffic is routed through the VPN server you selected. That's it. You've added a VPN extension to Chrome, opened it from the Extensions menu, and connected by choosing a country. If you ever want to pause protection, open the extension and disconnect, or unpin it from the toolbar to keep things tidy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy safer, more private browsing.